Hi guys, I've been introducing my second level course in my community post and it seems like a lot of you guys do not see it. So with this course, you will learn every circuit in a mobile PCB, and these videos that you are seeing right here, we have a lot of videos right here, and these videos are just to troubleshoot power problem. So we have other lessons that I'm still working on, like a SIM circuit, how to solve SIM card problems. You will see a LCD problem, display problem, which is what I'm talking about. You will see touch problem and any type of battery errors that you get. So you will get all those circuits. So these lessons are very well detailed, as you can see right here. So if just the power troubleshooting has a lot of videos like this and a lot of different circuits, then you at least you understand what this course will be about. So in case you want to get this course, you will first have to get my first level course, because I have first course, then this one. So I recommend you getting the first course, because if you don't get that one, when you get to this course straight, there will be a lot of things in which you won't understand, because this is a professional level course in which I don't start things from the basics. So if you already purchased my level 1 course, then you are good to go with this one. But if you haven't purchased my level 1 course, make sure you send me a message using the number on the screen, so that I will send you more information about my level 1 course. When you are through with it, then you will be ready. And for those who want to get this one, by next month this one should be ready. So you can message me in case you want us to chat more about the second course. So thank you and see you soon.